Good morning. Listen to that bass rumble. We are in the Van Buren State Park camping area today. Had a good night's sleep. It was nice and quiet campground. Really didn't hear too much until about 8 o'clock this morning. Paige is waving in the background. So we are going to go do several fun things today. First, we're going to go check out the South Haven Lighthouse. That is north of us about 5 miles. Then we're going to check out the beach that Van Buren has about a 1 mile stretch of beach for the state park that you can go to. So we're going to go check that out. It's got some dunes and it's right on Lake Michigan.
Uh-oh. What's the problem? Oh, you made it! Oh, got it. Sissy gave you a great idea, huh? Jump! Good boy. Some sauce. Oh, hold on. Beach or bust. Here we go.
Beach in it.
We got towels in the back, swimmies. We got a blanket. Kids got their beach toys and some water. We got sunscreen. Game on. Here we go. I thought this was a good idea.
Oh boy. Let's go to the top, baby. Your feet okay, babe? Sand. I'll show you what the downhill approach looks like. The top here, you're definitely on all fours. Very steep. But the view's pretty cool when you get to the top. Here we go, carrying Jake down the dune. This will be fun. Hopefully we don't wipe out. Look at that, Paige taking up the front of the train here. You want to hold my hand, baby? I got this. Bobby?
Daddy, spaghetti, meatball!